You can make this holiday season brighter for patients at Rady Children's Hospital and their families. And CBS 8 is a proud partner to help light the way. Joining us now with more on the Light the Way campaign and how fun and easy it can be for you to help is Steve Jennings, Senior Vice President and Chief External Affairs Officer for the Rady Children's Hospital Foundation. Thank you so much for being with us. First off, for our viewers who don't know, what is Light the Way?
Light the Way is really our annual holiday campaign to really celebrate the kids and families that sadly still have to be in the hospital during the holidays.
And you've really incorporated multiple events for this to raise money. It really is a month-long type of celebration. You know, the first one we like to talk about, because we have a lot of fun doing, is the ice rink, the Rady Children's ice rink. That's a highlight. What's going on with that this year, and what does it specifically benefit?
You bet. So the ice rink, we've been doing this for a number of years, 8 years actually at Liberty Station, and I just want to shout out to our Liberty Station friends. They've been such great partners.
Yes.
We're so lucky to have that here in our community. But so the ice rink is open all the way through the holidays until January 7th, and all the proceeds go to Thriving After Cancer. It's a program that we have for our kids that come out of the Peckham Center, and they're either in remission or they stop their treatment for a period of time, and we really work with them and the families to really, what is it like to thrive after cancer?
You know, so many people understand the curing of the disease or the fighting of the disease in the case of cancer. It's a big challenge, but how important is it for these people to have those steps afterward to ease them back into, quote, normal life?
Oh, it's so important. I mean, just think about the kids' journey, right? They probably missed a lot of school. They probably haven't been able to see their friends as much as they can. And the amount of kind of stress that it adds to a family that are like two working parents and things like that. So as they start to get back into kind of a more normal rhythm, they really need that support around them. And when I think about Light the Way and the ice rink and all the events we do, it's really like a giant hug from the community.
Yeah. People
putting their arms around the people that really need our love and attention over the holidays.
You know, one of my big group hugs that you're talking about here is the Light the Way Parade of Lights. Yeah. When did this start? You get all these first responders that do this incredible parade for the kids who are still in the hospital.
Yeah, we've been doing that for many years as well, and we had to kind of tone it down a little bit during COVID, but I will tell you, it's really one of the most special nights of the year. And what we do is we have a lot of people show up outside the hospital. We have the police, we have the lifeguard, we have the sheriffs, and they actually do a parade with their lights flashing and sirens going all around the building so that the kids who are in the hospital during the Christmas and holiday season, they can walk up to the window or come in their gurney and their wheelchairs, someone with IV, and they're able to wave from the hospital, and then we're all waving back with flashlights and singing to them and waving to them, really showing that appreciation and love for those folks.
What a beautiful celebration and beautiful moment for everyone involved. I'm so glad you guys do this every year. Only have about a minute left. What are some of the other highlights for you and things you think are important for this month?
So we also have our book and toy store that we do, and this is an opportunity for families to come and get a toy or a book at no charge to them. We ask that people make a monetary donation as opposed to dropping off a toy, just because of infection control and all sorts of things. It's much easier for us to be able to purchase those toys and those books for the kids and families.
And all these things are just to give a little boost to these kids and their family in difficult times.
And the last thing is Give-a-thon. So our Give-a-thon, which is December 7th and 8th, our partnership with iHeartRadio. It's all Rady, all the time for December 7th and 8th, opportunity to hear great stories and to give back.
All right. Fun ways to give back, and we're going to tell our viewers out there we've got a series of things to show you how you can be involved. First off, the Light the Way campaign. It's to a brighter holiday for the kids. To find out more about that, you can go to cbs8.com/community. The ice rink is a lot of fun. The ice rink will open up November 16th. It runs through January 7th, Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. You see the prices there, a lot of fun. I highly recommend getting out and doing this. If it's not something that you've experienced, we're a part of it, and we even have our own day. We have the Come Skate with 8 date. That's Tuesday, November 21st, 4 to 8 p.m. We're so proud to be a part of this and so happy to do the stories about how this impacts all the people who are touched by Rady Children's.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being with us here today. Appreciate it.